Jeez.
We ain't rotten. We're the Squashies, a benevolent community service group out to protect the neighborhood. And you can't walk here.
No duh, Squash for brains. We don't have feet.
That's not what I meant.
It's more of a shuffling thing we do with our bodies. Like, shuffle, 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 shuffle.
Orange, don't antagonize them. They're dangerous.
Shuffle, 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 shuffle.
We're not dangerous. We're chock full of vitamins and nutrients. Help me out here, boys.
Nudiberries?
I know.
No try.
Look, we're good for you, okay? Quit shuffling.
I don't shuffle, I bounce. Whee! Sometimes I roll. Rolly, rolly, rolly.
Cut it out! There's no rolling or bouncing on Squashy's turf.
Squashy's turf? This is the produce section. You don't own it.
Oh, no? That sign says we do.
Oh, yeah? Well, this sign says you're a doofus.
Dude.
Ow! Whoa, matching tattoos? Guys, this Besties for Life thing is getting out of hand. Besties for what? These aren't tattoos. They're shiners. We got jumped by the Squashies.
Oh my gosh, you could have been killed by those bullies.
We held our own. We were super tough. No, we weren't. Marshmallow went psycho on him and we ran away.
I hope Marshmallow's okay.
From what we saw, I'd worry more about the Squashies.
Ugh, those squashies aggravate on the whole produce section.
They kinda do.
And you're kind of an apple.
Back in my day, a band of tough rutabagas called the Rudy Tooties tried to muscle into the fruit farm. But we citrus banded together and fought back.
Yeah? What happened?
Got our rinds juiced. Literally. I only survived on account of my budding romance with the gang leader's sister, Maria. Now there was a girl. Sometimes when I think about her, I feel like breaking out in a song.
Hey, we should fight back. You mean form a gang? A gang? Never. We'll form a neighborhood watch.
Ooh, that's a great idea.
Oh, yeah,
I agree.
And we can wear these really cool neighborhood watch vests. Luff? What's Luff? Lords of Fruit Bush. The whole name wouldn't fit on the vest.
Well, I don't know. These look like vests for hoods.
Yeah, hoods is in neighborhoods. As in neighborhood watch. When people see us in these, they'll know not to mess with our turf.
Right, just like... Wait, actually that is what neighborhood watches do.
Let's show these knuckleheads how tough the Lords of Fruit Bush are. Now!
What are you weirdos doing?
Pout up. Keep pouting, guys.
Oh, pouting hurts my face.
There's no pout off stirring a truce.
A truce? What truce?
Oh no, I think I broke my face.
There's a truce on account of Sweet Cookie called the council meeting of all the community-based neighborhood watch groups.
Seriously, guys, I can't unfrown.
Sweet Cookie? You mean the leader of the grocery sweets? They're the biggest, baddest neighborhood watch in the store. What's the meeting for?
Don't know. But if Sweet Cookie calls it, you just go. It's in the baked goods section. Nice vest, by the way. Boss.
That's Lords of Fruit Bush. The whole name didn't fit.
You guys want to check out the meeting?
Not if you're gonna be a sourpuss about it.
My face is stuck.
We should go. Maybe we can find out what happened to Marshmallow.
I hate being an apple about this, but the baked goods section is all the way across the market.
Apple? I don't remember giving you a vest.
I thought coconut to the death for it.
Whoa. Fair enough. He's right. If anything bad goes down, we'll be a long way from our turf.
Oh, I just meant I didn't want to shuffle all the way.
We're not gonna shuffle. We're gonna take the subway.
Es divertido.
Here, what do you know about Sweet Cookie? Whoa! I had no idea there were this many concerned citizens groups in the market.
Is ours. If you enjoy souffle, can you taste it? We got neighborhood watch committees from every aisle here tonight. The Iggy Wag, the Chuck E. Cheese's, the Freezer Bird, the Busy, the Clarity, 100 individual groups. But imagine if we came together to form one humongous concerned citizens committee, a superfood souffle. We'd be unstoppable. We could run the store.
Run the store?
I don't want to do that.
That involves accounting and stocking shelves.
Tonight's the night when foodstuffs unite. Can you taste it?
Bogus. I ain't gonna follow no trans fat cookie.
Can you
Sensible contra las manchas y remueve la suciedad. Proba el nuevo humo líquido.
Lords of Fruit Bush! It didn't fit on the vest. Ah, crud. Shuffle swiftly!
Well, I wanted to wear the best. Okay, let's do this.
No, wait! We don't lower ourselves by fighting apples. Shuffle, 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 shuffle! Ow! Ah, it's me! Ow! That hurts! God! We lost Apple!
No, you didn't.
Whoa! Apple, you were surrounded back there.
Yeah, I was. Guess I'm a lot tougher than I should stay home.
Those squashies ruined our rep. Whoa, Bear! Don't look so glum. I'm not! My face is still stuck. Every neighborhood watch in the vacuum is gonna be out for hot juice now!
What's the quickest route back to the fruit cart? Downing Street.
You mean... Let me touch it! Go!
Nobody ices Sweet Cookie and gets away with it. Look at my spot. It's ruined. Those lords of Fruit Bush will pay for this. Yes, sir.
Coast is clear, guys. It's a long shuffle from here to the fruit cart.
Let's roll! It's faster.
Hey, some of us aren't round.
Who wants to will off?
The fizzies!
Say that with a smile.
I can't!
You got the bucket all shook up.
It's
Hey, no fair. This ain't over.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah, I know you only helped because I was with Pear, but it's still cool of you.
We're Lords of Fruit Bush. We stick together and shuffle as one. Even you, Apple. As much as it pains me.
Yeah, that's the meaning of surrounding.
You know, you really are an apple.
This is no time to turn on one another.
Lords up! Ah, forget it.
Probably can't tell, but I'm frowning for real right now.
Yeah, me too. Marshmallow? Is that you? Yay, it's me! I rallied my boys, yo! We know you guys are innocent! Plus, the marshmallow cloudies enjoy the thrill of battle! my face is stuck this way now. Why am I laughing?
Oh, hair.
Suscríbanse para todos los videos.